in India right now? Are you in the city or your main area in India? I don't know if I have my India. Okay, so what time is in India right now? Thank you for watching. Thank you for your like. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate you so much. 13:30 p.m. So it's 2 o'clock. Oh, okay. It's same as Philippines. I think. I think same as Philippines. Mm. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you for your thumbs up and for your comments and for you coming on my live or premiere videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think here in this let's see. I don't know if I can come full support to you. Thank you so much for your full support. Jagdish in India. Thank you so much. Let's see. So what do you do there now in India? Oops, I turned on that. Thank you for your full support. Thank you for 2 viewers. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome. Let me see. Thank you for 2 viewers. Let's see. Thank you to viewers whose comments will return. Thank you for full support. Thank you. Mm. Thank you for returning. Ay, ma. Can't see who else is commenting. Mm. Thank you for 2 viewers. Thank you for 2 viewers. Shout out. Hey, sis. Hello, Mary Grace. Sis, wala pa ako natulog, sis. Matulog ko ugma. Late. Thank you for the 3 viewers. 3 million people in the house.